Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower. We're your host, Quassi, and today we're going to be opening up the July RPG crate. So let's get to it. First of all, this is a beautiful shirt that came in this box. I love this gargoyle. It's beautiful. So let's get this RPG crate open and see what else we have. First, we have our RPG Presents card. This is once again July 2018, crate number 24, and this one is called Legendary. Just like this shirt, it's legendary. So next we have something a little different this time this year, and this is Atmar's cartograph. And what adventures will the dungeon deal? So it's like I gotta find out what this is. Enter the Fury Pits. Okay, there's 52 cards in this. There's a booklet with room. Ooh, I gotta check this out. Let's open this bad boy open and see what's in it. So this is something new this time, which is pretty cool. I've never had a deck of cards that I know of. I almost didn't want to open it because it looks so nice. Let's see. Okay, there's the booklet in there. I'm not going to leave the booklet in there. Ooh, look at that. They're just random dungeon cards. You can make your own dungeon with these. That is really cool. They're all numbered. I'm sure maybe there's a story that goes to it or whatever else. But those look really nice. Let's get the glare off it. Here's one. It's got 5 statues in it. These are really cool. If these don't come out good in the video, I'll post a few up so you can see them. But it's just cards to make your own random dungeon. I really like these. There's 52 cards. That's pretty badass. I'll check out the rest of it later on. Oh, there's online stuff too. Ooh. And this is brought to us by Norse Foundry. That's just really cool. You know, I'm gonna have to look at this real quick. Oh, okay. So it's just okay. Each little card has a little story behind each room or each card. Well, I will have to check that out later, but that's really nice. I like the stuff that Norse. What is the company again called? Norse Foundries. I like the stuff we've been getting from them. It's really good stuff. Okay, so next we have our miniature. Finally, it's back from Effin Cool Miniatures, and this one looks like some kind of wizard or something. I know. Let me take this out for you guys, even though you're not gonna be able to see it at all. But I'll do a close-up of it so you guys can see it. From the picture, what I'm seeing is on the card. It almost looks like a Medusa in a way. I'm not saying that's what it is, but it could be. The hair is kind of almost snake-like. I know, you guys. You ain't gonna be able to see this. I'll put a close-up to it so you can get a better view of it. But that's it. Really nice, really nice. Glad the figure's back. I can't believe they didn't have it last month. Ugh. Okay, so next we have RPG Pins and Patches, and it looks like we've got a natural 20, so that's nice. Nothing feels better than rolling a 20. Of course not. You can conquer any challenge when you, of course, the pen's in the way. Roll a natural 20. Okay, I got you. So it looks like we got 2 of them. One's green, one's red. Whatever, they're cool. I like them. So next, it looks like we have, is this our recipe card? Dungeon Bites, Bits, and Other Things. Gorgon bread. Interesting. The picture on that's really cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't talk today, guys. There's the back. So that'll be really cool. Let's see, what do you have to get from 2 cups of crumbling Gorgon? Okay. and a whole bunch of other recipes, regular food stuff. But let's get into the next stuff. Next thing we got. Let's see. Okay, next we have our 3 Adventures on the Open Road books. And this is the first one is Stone Garden. Nice. Very nice. I'm trying to get that glare off for you guys. And Cliff Ruins. And then we have Broad Mother. And then that's it. And then next we have something from Frog God Games again. Of course, it's supposed to be 5th edition. Looks like we got some frogs here against Hagath. I don't know even how you pronounce that. But that's that. Let's see. Doesn't look like there's many pages to it. I know I pronounced that wrong, but what the heck. 15 pages. Okay. A couple monsters in there, and it's actually color this time. Well, I spent a little bit of money on that. Got some color in here this time. I wonder if they're going to keep that going, or if this is just a freak accident. Let's see. So looks like there's an adventure. Ooh, another map, and it's color. It's green, but it's color. Different shades of green. So let's see. It looks like one adventure and new creatures and NPCs. So that's it. That's that book. And then you got our nice pick and pluck foam. Nothing special underneath it. So where is this card? Let's make sure we got everything. We got our awesome legendary t-shirt. Oh man, it couldn't be epic. It's just legendary. Our premium metal figurine from Effin Cool Miniatures. Her beauty is only matched by her lust of power. Evil is that one I say. Did I say that right? Yeah, I said that right. Medusa, the Broad Mother. So you do get to face Medusa in this one, or a Medusa type Gorgon creature. And then we've got the cards. Yes, the cards. The Altmar's cardography. What adventures will the dungeon deal? So it's basically a deck that deals you out a dungeon, and there's certain things that go to it. That's pretty cool. I like that. And it's 52 card set number 1. So it must be a series, and this is Fury Pit. So I'm gonna have to check them out and see what else they got, especially if I like that. We've got a recipe card. Your face will freeze like that. If you keep smiling like that, it's gonna. Okay, and then we have our adventure book, and that is against that, looks like that frog god or something, who knows. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that word. Deep in the heart of most marshland, gather followers of the Tashaga. I don't know how you pronounce that. I know you guys are gonna break my chops about it, but it's okay. Then we got our RPG pins. We got 2 of them, which was cool. I don't know why 2, but hey, I'll take them, man. Adventures on the Open Road. We got those 3, and then more download adventure settings for RPGCrate. That's if they even have anything updated. Last time I knew they still didn't. And the Dragon Foam, and we are not missing a part. So that's it, guys. This is a lot better than last month's. I was thinking if they sent me some garbage this month, I was not going to be happy. But they turned it around and really impressed me. I really like this deck card here. The book's pretty neat. The adventures, the t-shirts, like I said, legendary. So you know what? I'm going to give this one an A. You guys are right back up there. You're passing still. So keep up the good work. And that's it, guys. Until next time.